Hi everyone, and welcome. Today we're going to talk about these PITTSBURGH Pro sockets. These are 3/8 drive in metric and standard. And they're color coded. And they're pretty, right? But look really nice in your cabinet. Actually, what the color is for is so you can memorize the color to what size, right? Which I can't do. So these are 6-point, okay? And I did do a review a couple days ago on the 12-point, okay? Because I need a 12-point. You can look at that, right? Now I'm just gonna jump over to Harbor Freight website, show the price on this. And for the price, these are really good, right? I mean, this is the standard price. Okay, so that's $12.99. And PITTSBURGH is not equal to Icon or Tecton or this a lower quality that's more geared towards your DIY and homeowner, right? And if think about what this is, I mean, being it's a lower grade socket, look at the reviews on that. That's pretty good, all right? And the thing about PITTSBURGH is that if any of your sockets go bad, they got a lifetime warranty. If you break it or if it gets rounded off, you bring it to the store. They go over and take one out of a new package. That one package that's missing a socket actually goes up and on the as-is table as discounted, right? So that's what it is. So no problem with the warranty on this. Well, then one thing you want to look for is just kind of look through the sets if you're at the store. This was the first set I grabbed off the shelf with no issues. Look for any deformities, you know, anything in the qualities, and these all look pretty good. And of course, with Harbor Freight, you know, just wait for a coupon. You know, what I've seen regularly the last few months is that they offer a coupon, you know, 30% off, which that was a couple weeks ago, 30% off anything, one item under $20, or I've seen 20% off for 5 items under $20. Everything eventually goes on sale for Harbor Freight. You know, just wait for it, you know, add to your Harbor Freight list like I do. The only problem I ran with my Harbor Freight list is it maxes out at 100. The app and the website, I always use the website. I use the website on my phone. The app I barely ever use because the website just has more features. So I use the website browser on my phone. I don't have any issues with it. But like I said, I wish that list could go bigger. I wish I could make categories. I even wrote to support saying, make it go beyond 100. Because I could easily do that. So mine's always stuck at 100. Once I buy a new tool, I add it back in. So will I ever get below 100? I don't know. Someday. I'm still doing my tool refresh. I've been doing tool refreshes for the last 4 years, and I'm not done yet. So take a look at these sockets, guys. You have any questions on it? Do you use these PITTSBURGH Pro sockets at all? Let me know in the comments. Have a great day, and thanks for watching.